Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 21 of the life hacks. Crocheted life hacks, I guess would be a better way to put it. So this month's topic is all about life hack items that you can make using crochet. So it's crochet items that are going to make your life easier and maybe even prettier or cuter or just nicer in general. So day 21 is a crochet pattern for wall pockets, for toys, or for craft supplies, is what they listed in here. You could use it for other items as well, but you know, you can't beat toys and craft items, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It is a pattern that you can find on Etsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can take a closer look. All right, so this pattern was written by Jackdaw Crochet. It is a paid pattern. It is $3.49 for this pattern. So it looks like you are going to use a dowel of some kind, actually two of them. And it's kind of funny because in the picture they almost look like knitting needles to me, but I can't imagine that they would use their knitting needles. Maybe though, I mean, they're pointed at one end and they've got a stopper on the other, so they really do look like knitting needles to me. It looks like they're just made with 3 circular granny squares where they start off as a circle and then they turn into a square. And then it looks like they're just stitched on the back of like a long strip of maybe double crochets, half double crochets, something like that. And then at the top you've got the buttons with the little tabs, and that holds it all together. So I'm going to take some quick screen grabs just so you can take a closer look yourself. It's a cute idea. I really like it a lot. The color scheme in this particular picture, the yellow one, not so much me, but I love the more, I don't know, the darker colors. I think that's a really cute look for maybe a kid's room or something. Yeah, so let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this project idea? Is this something that you'd ever have in your house? Is this something that you'd enjoy making for someone else? Do you think this would be useful? All kinds of ideas for comments there. So yeah, let me know what you think of it. And of course, if you're interested in making this at all, go ahead and click that link in the description box below. It's gonna take you zooming right over to my Pinterest board. Click on the picture and then I'll take a zooming right over to the Etsy site so that there's, like, you know, no mess of ads and vlogs and all that kind of stuff. All right, so that's gonna do it for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow with another fabulous idea. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.